is the link? Hero. Huh. Done. Hmm. Need your Wi-Fi. Hmm? It's buffering. Hmm? Hi everyone. Good morning. Uh, am I audible right now? No, no, it's not, sir. It's me, Puna. Am I audible? Not hearing? Some some person is saying not hearing. You can. Acha, you. Okay, and everything clear, audio, video, everything clear. Okay, okay. So, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the YouTube live free sessions of previous year questions uh, of mathematical reasoning. Good morning. Okay, good morning, Ismail, Vinay, Sapna Thakur. Hi, Sapna Thakur, how are you? Monica, Purna, Patel, Sonu Reggie. Hi, how are you? Hi, Vinay. Okay, so let's start with our today's topic, that is increase your voice. Akansha, dear, this is the maximum voice I can do. I think you can adjust your voice. You can increase your sound. Please try that. Acha, now, uh, what we are going to do today is, you all might be aware that we both educators, that is Shiva sir and me, Niharika Bhagtani, we both are going to launch a new batch course that is on PYQ with explanations of paper 1, right? So it will be starting on 25th April. Fine. So if you want all the classes now, you can get all the classes there. But here, since many students learn for free, so we are teaching for free also. We will start some introductory questions here. What type of questions come in your exams? And today we are going to start with the topic mathematical reasoning. So, are you all ready? Yes. Good morning. Good morning, Chetan. Good morning, Pushpalata. Akansha, I hope the voice problem is clear now. Okay, so let's start with the topic. You all might be aware that mathematical reasoning contains so many topics, right? That is a series, number series, letter series, coding, decoding, alphanumerical, numerical, mixed coding, odd man out, analogy, and etc. Right? Then blood relations. Then we have seating arrangements, fractions, time and distraction, time and distance, and speed, ratio, proportion, percentage, profit and loss, interest, simple interest, compound interest, average, calendar, Venn diagrams, and direction skill sets. Right? Ready. So, great, great. Hi, Sampurna. I'm good. How are you? Great. So, one by one, we are going to do all the questions, all one type of question I am going to do here in this class. Okay. Since we have some limited time, so we will just do one type, one heading, and one question. And these questions are exam question, right? Okay, so many of you are meeting me for the first time. So let me first introduce you to myself. My name is Niharika Bhagtani, and I'm a UGC NET JRF qualified in commerce, and I'm also an AIR in NET JRF. So now that's it. I mean, let's start. Okay. So I'm gonna give you what are the rules. I'm gonna give you these questions. Okay. This is the first question, right? So you have to try solving this question. Please try to solve this question. Yes, this is the first class. Okay. Yes, yes, this is the first class. Voice is highest. Whatever I could do, I did that. Give some tips to get JRF. For that, you need to attend all the classes, have a regular practice, complete all the course, and then revise, make notes, and join us to get the JRF. You need to follow what JRF people do, then you can easily get JRF. Okay. Okay. So this type of question, how we are going to solve it? See, this is this the topic is average, right? Okay. So how we are going to do is, first we will read the question. The tips to solve this particular type of question is that first you need to read the question, then infer what data is given. Fine. The first thing is what data is given. Fine. Then you have to see what data is asked, right? This is a past question, right? Then you have to start calculating the data. Don't hurry up. Just take your time, okay? And you have to answer here on the comment box. See, the data given is the present age of father. Let's try solving. The present age of father is twice as of the elder son. See, the father's age is twice that of elder son. Suppose elder son's age is X, right? So he is fine. And then 10 year hence, the age of the father will be 3 times that of the younger son. So after 10 years, father's age will be what? F plus 10, right? And it will be 3 times the age of younger son. Suppose younger son's age is y. So after 10 years, the younger son's age will be y plus 10. Agree with me, right? Now it is written that we have made two equations. Now it is written that if the difference in the ages, are you all there? Okay. So wait. What happened? Is the connection lost? I'm not getting it. Okay, so now, hmm, now the after 10 years, father's age will be three times of that of younger son, right? Now, what is written that the difference between the ages of the two sons is 15 years, right? The two sons, that means the elder son minus the younger son should be 15 years, right? So x minus y should be 15 years, right? That means x should be equal to 15 plus y, right? Now you have to start solving the x and y. Please start solving x and y. Now you know all the equation. This is equation number 1, right? This is equation number 2 and this is equation number 3. Okay, so please find out what is y, and then accordingly, or you can also find out what is x, then accordingly we have to answer what is the age of the father, right? Acha, let's do it together. If you have any problem, okay, see, namaste security theory. Let's try to solve this together. What the answer will be, we will put 2x instead of x. Can we write it down 15 plus y instead of the place of x? Can we write it down 15 plus y? Yes. So we'll write it down 15 plus y, right? So what the equation will be, 2x plus 10 after 10 years, 2x plus 10, it will be 3 y plus 10. Fine, I have merged this. See, instead of f I've written 2x, so 2x here, then plus 10 equals to 3y plus 10, right? Now let's start solving it. Okay, that will be 2, instead of x I'm writing it down 15 plus y, so 15 plus y plus 10, it will be 3y plus 10, right? Now for y, let's start solving. 30, 2 into 15 is 30 plus 10, that will be 40 plus 2y equal to 3y plus 30. So what will be y? Y will be nothing but 10. So y is younger brother, right? Oh, yes, younger brother. So what will be the age of elder brother? Age of elder brother will be 10 plus 15, that will be x equals to 10 plus 15, that is y plus 15, so 25. And what is the age of the father? Father's age is nothing but 2x. X is what? X is 25, so father's age will be 50. Did you all get this? You have to practice like this is just one kind of question in average. Akanksha, you were saying biggest fear is about DI. Don't worry, we are going to cover all recent type of questions which are asked in DI also. If you will practice these questions now, then in your exam, if the figures get changed or it just alter 1 or 2 units here or there, then also you will be able to solve it. Okay, so what is the correct answer? Correct answer is this, right? Done. Okay, so this was a type of an above average question, a little difficult question. Okay, so in MR, if you practice one by one question, now all type of questions, then you will be easily able to crack it. Okay, let's try it out. Some easy type of question. Have you all done coding, decoding with me? If done, then you can try, or if you have not done, then also you can try, because this is a very easy type of question which has come in your exam. Sometimes they give very easy, sometimes they give average, sometimes they give above average question. Just try to answer in comments. Very good, Akansha. See, you are good in reasoning, right? Kobe, great. Okay, so how it is, Kobe? See, let's try to solve it for OBBY. For OBBY, it's written OBY. Okay, for OOBY, it's written OBY, right? So for OBBY, it will be OBY everywhere, right? So the decision lies where we have to decide in the first letter only. Okay, in coding decoding, what we basically do is, you might be aware that what we do is, we just code a letter, okay, and then we decode it. Okay, what is the code of this letter, and then we decode it. We have already done all the lessons, right? But we will do in detail, right? We will do in detail, we will practice in detail in our plus classes, because there the number of classes are too much. Okay, so I will again teach you how to do this. Here I will just teach you this particular type of question, right? See how it is, Kobe. After H, if we start from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, I hope everybody remembers the letter series. Nobody forgets, right? So after H, what comes? I. After L, what comes? M. So after B, what comes? C, right? So answer is B. Okay, in exam, I'll tell you, instead of giving uh, the correct answer, some people even give the wrong answer. What is the mistake? What is the silly mistake they do? See, suppose I have 10 seconds in exam or 20 seconds in exam to answer this type of question. This is a very easy kind of question, but still there is some silly mistake. I'm telling you. See, after H, it's I. After L, it's M. So after B, it's B. It's C. Okay. So sometimes students tick C option. So that is a mistake. Students should not do this. Okay, they just think that it should be C, and then they tick C. Okay, that should not be done. So another, a little easy type of question which you have to try is of directions. So in directions, what we basically do is, a first rule, we will draw a two shape diagram, right? This is a two, and then we will mark the words news, right? NEWS. So in clockwise direction. So it will be NEWS. Fine. This is news. So now we know that N comes here, S comes here, West comes this side, and East comes this side. Now what is to be done is, we will start drawing the diagram in direction and then calculate the distance and then calculate the direction. Fine. A person walks 10 kilometer in front. A person walks 10 kilometer in front, right? This is 10. Now 10 kilometer to the right. He turns right. Fine. For north, if a person is standing in north, my right will be his right, right? We have studied. If a person is standing in south, then my left will be his right. It will be opposite. If he is standing in south, it will be opposite. If he is standing facing north, it will be like my right will be his right. Okay. So if he turns right, then and he walks 10 kilometer again, then every time, very good, very good. You have given the answer. That is Jyoti Gupta, Ismail, Pushpalata, Ajayli. Okay. So you have given 5 kilometers on the yes. So this is the correct answer. I think we should just draw it so that it should be helpful for everyone, right? Then every time turning to his left, right? He is again turning to the left. So what is left? Left is this, okay, 5, and then again turning to the left, covering 15, and again turning to the left and covering 15, right? So what is the distance between this starting point and this point? Okay, this is 5 kilometer. Acha, again I'm asking one more question. In which direction is he facing right now? In which direction is he facing right now? This is another kind of question. Is it north, east, west, or south? It, it is south, right? Huh. Because in the end, he is facing south. Whatever is this direction, yes, very good, very good. And what is the second question? Please answer. What is his direction with respect to his original position? I'm asking it again. What is his direction here? What is his direction with respect to his original position? This was the original position. This is the final position. So his direction will be west. See, he's turning towards west, right? So this is the third type of question which is asked in the UGC exam. Okay, you it will be just given simple type of direction question, and then only one or two options will be changed, and there you have to calculate, right? Okay, so let's go to our next question. Just try this out. The letter series. This is also an easy type of question. Okay, we have done so much letter series in our classes, in our free classes. You can try this out. I'm waiting. The Monica Sylvest, you are asking what is the second question? Wait. The second question I asked was कि what is his direction now as compared to his original direction. Okay, so his original direction was here at this point, right? Now wait, let me draw it again. His original direction was here, right, Monica? and now where he facing this side. So don't you think we have to see direction from here to here? Because starting from here to here, that means he is facing towards west right now. With respect to his original position, I am asking with respect to his original position, right? There are two type of question. First is, huh, the first is where is he facing now, and the second type of question is where is he facing as compared to his original position. So both answers will be different. Fine. Now, yes, yes, very good. You've given the correct answer. That is Purna, Akansha, Commerce Tree, Sonu, Monica, and Pushpalata, Akansha, Ismail. Very good. So the answer here is XYZ. Wasn't it very easy? Very easy. This question should not have any problem. What we have done, we have just skipped one letter, that is after D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. So here will be X, Y, Z. That's it. Fine. Now let's try another question of odd man out. Do you know what is an odd man out? An odd man out type of questions are those in which three options are very similar to each other and there is one distinct, whereas there is one different option, right? Whose characteristics doesn't match with the remaining. Okay, you Gangappa, you are saying B. So what is the basis of saying B? Okay, Commerce Tree is saying D, Monica, Ismail, Pushpalata, you are saying D. Okay, so see, what we have to, Purna is saying D, Jyoti D. Nice, nice. How we got this? We have to see that three should be matching, three options characteristics should be matching with each other and one should be different. How it will be there? See, choose the word which is different from the rest. Have you heard about Aravali Hills? Yes, we have heard. Where is that? It's in India, right? Okay. Where is Nilgiri Hills? It's in India, right? We all have heard. Where is Shivalik Hills? It is in India. We all have heard. There is no one who has not heard about all these three options, right? And Sonu, Firdaus, Rochelle, Ismail, ha, all all if everything is hill, right? See, all the four options are hill, but this D option, have you heard about Mount Kilimanjaro? Don't you think it's a little fancy mountain word which everybody has not heard? It's not in India. It's not in India. It's in Africa. Fine, that is why this option is an odd one out. Ismail, by chance, the good thing is you caught this word, you got this word hills, hills, hills. That's why your answer is correct. So it's good thing, but the answer is that all the four options are mountains, but this one is not in India. Okay, right, Abhinay, right, Gangappa. That's nice. Okay, so we're gonna try another question. I hope you are getting what we are explaining in class. Is there any problem? Any problem in between? No, thank you, Smile. Okay, so this is a number series type of question, right? Okay, we are just solving one type of question, and basics. Many of you have already attempted in my class what the basics are. Huh. You can try this thing. This, I am telling you, this is a little bit average, or you can say above average question, because many of you have fear from number series. So, screen is not clear. Sonu Reji, what you can do is you can go to your settings and improve the audio, video quality. You can set it to highest, then everything will be clear. Okay, hope have are you trying? Mm, Not clear means what? Screen is not clear or question is not clear? All is clear because I have set the same font which was there in the previous question. There is no change in font. Okay, let me write it down. Write it down. You have to find out the next number in the series. What the series is: 1, 2, 6, 33, 49, 174, 210, and x, right? So you have to find out what the x is. Great. Okay. So that's great. Monica has answered. Monica Sylvester has answered. Monica Pal has answered. And Suruchi has answered. So you all have given different answers. I think you all should try, because see, in exam at least you have to give an answer. You have to guess. At least guess, so that we can see is your answer correct or not. So let's start solving. Okay, let's give it a hit and trial method. Okay, we will see the approach. What should be the approach of solving this question? See, number series, we have already studied that some questions are of slow series, some questions have average series, some questions have fast series. Okay, that means in some questions we just have to add something, in some questions we have to multiply something, that is an average, in some question we have to square or cube something, that is a fast series, right? Okay, so you are giving B C D B. Okay, so let's start. Let's see what can be the answer. See, here either you have three options: either you have to add something, or you have to multiply something in every number, or you have to do square, or you have to do cube, right? These are the only options in number, in increasing number series, right? You have increasing number series. So uh, uh, are we adding something? Are we adding something? No, because these numbers are increasing very drastically. Okay? So what should be our approach? We should try either multiplication or square or cube, right? So let's start with square. If I do 1 square, what is the square of 1? It will be 1, right? Now, huh, now if I square this up, like uh, that is 2 square plus 2. right? So that will be 6. Fine. Now if I do 6 plus 3 square, okay, what I did, 1 plus 1 square, then the answer was 2, then I did 2 plus 2 square, the answer is 6. 6 plus 3 square, the answer will be, it is not coming 33, right? So let's try another method. We'll try cube. See, 1 plus 1 square is equal to 2, then 2 plus 2 square is equal to 6, then 6 plus 3 cube is equal to 33. Justified? Now let's do this. 33 plus 4 square, is it coming 49? Yes, it's coming 49. So that means at one place it is coming square, then cube, then square. So this should be also cube. Okay. Then 49 plus 5 cube, right? Because one place it's cube, then square, then cube, then square, then cube. So it is coming 174. How 174? 5 ka cube is 125. If we see 125 plus 49, that will be 174, right? Now what is the next, what should be the next number? 174 plus 6 square, that will be 210 for sure, that is already given. Now 210 plus, what we have to do next? It should be 7 ka cube, right? What is 7 ka cube? It is nothing but 343. We all know, right? So 343 plus 210, it is 553. So the answer will be A. Did you get this? Yes, the difference are squares and cube. See, I could have just simply told you the solution, but here in this question, I told you how to think the solution, right? How to hit and try, how to think the solution, right? That is why even I gave a hit and try like students. Uh, Vigneshwaran is saying good morning. No, it's okay. You can see this. You can even see the recording if you want to practice. Vigneshwaram, I will suggest you first you try to solve all the questions on your own and then see the solution, right? Ismail, you are saying it is very tricky. See, these are the number series type of question. What two type is it looking tricky? Okay, let me just further explain this question. What this question wants to say, this is an increasing series, right? This is an increasing series means every number is increasing, right? So what three options you have? Either you can add something, simply add, like add 2 4, add 6, add 8, either you can do something like that. Okay, those are the basic type of questions which we usually practice in class, but this is an exam question. In exam, questions come like this only. Okay, so either you can add something or you can multiply something. Ajay, why you can't subtract anything? Because this is not a decreasing series, right? Why you can't divide anything? Because this is not a decreasing series, right? So either add or multiply or square or cube. So you have these limited options. Now we will see that these numbers are increasing very drastically. So what we have to do is, what we have to think is, we have to establish relation, the mathematical relation between the two numbers, that is the second number and the first number. So we established, first we tried to establish this relation, this didn't work. Then we tried to establish this relation. Then on the second step, you have to establish the relation between the third number and the second number. Okay, you can even do this. You can write the answers first, like 2 6 33 49 174, 2 6 2, 6, 33, 49, 174, 210. Then try to establish the relation, right? हाँ, yes, increasing order में question है, same decreasing order में भी question आएगा, that we will do a lot of questions whatever has come in your exam in the plus classes, because there we are having 40 classes, I guess 40 to 45 classes, right? But here we can just practice one type of question at a time. I hope now this is clear. Hi Preeti Kumari, welcome to the class. Good morning. Okay, so I expect many of you to give the correct answer to this question. Whoever has attended my last two free classes on an academy, special classes, we have done this twice. This is the third time I'm doing this question with you with a different number only. I just gave you a practice question and it came in exam also. Please try. Give some answers. What do you think? A, B, C, D? There is a short trick for this question. There is a formula for this question. Uh-huh. Preeti is saying B. Commerce tree A. Don't know. Please tell me, Akansha. Okay, maybe 40%. Okay, 40% is not there. I've just written it for confusion. Gangappa, since still screen is not clear. Why? Is everybody's screen clear? Please tell me. Commerce tree, Preeti. Can everyone else see the options? Jyoti is saying D. So probably, and Sonu Regi B. So probably the correct answer is Sonu Regi and Jyoti. You are very close to the answer, and the correct answer is, okay. Wait. First, let's try to solve this. Gangappa, please change your uh, settings on the video. See, I have written if the side of the square increase by 40%, then what is the area of square? Okay, yes. See, what is the area of square? Area of square increases by what percent? So, the solution to this is, first, you have to write what is the increased area. What is the increased area? You know the area of the square is side into side. Okay, you are saying, ma'am, after working out solution, please teach the tricks. I I can teach the trick for one particular type of question only. The trick, see, if you attend some theory question, right? So in theory question, what you can understand is कि you get the knowledge of that whole question, that whole particular type of question. That's why here you can get the knowledge of one particular type of question only, right? So I am trying to teach that. Okay, I will try the trick also. Okay, The first is if the side of the square is 40% increase. What is the side of the square? What is the area of the square? It is length into breadth, right? That is a square because every side is same, right? So if it increase by some percent, right? So uh, what will be the increased amount? It will be the increased area upon the original area, right? Increased area upon the original area. That is the short trick for this type of question. How you can do is, the increased area is 40%. If the side is 1, then what will be the increased side? The original side is 1, so the increased side will be 1 plus 40%. 1 plus 40% will be nothing but 1.40, right? So one side increased is 1.40, right? So what is the area? Length into breadth, or you can say a square, right? So can we do like this? 1.40 into 1.40, that is a square. That is one side ka square. 1.40 ka square divided by original area. Original area it was what? 1 into 1. Now let's try to solve this. The answer is the answer is 1 point, acha, 1.4 into 1.4, that will be 96, right? If we multiply this, it will be 96. So the answer will be 96%. It will be either 0.96 or it will be 96%. So this is the answer, right? Very good. So either, see, Monica, I am telling you the shortest type of, shortest method you can apply on this type of question, because we have already practiced the longest type of question, the traditional method of solving this question, right? So it took around 15 to 20 minutes. If we solve this from the traditional point of view now, like if we take one side as 6 centimeter and then increase each side by 40%, then we multiply it, then calculate the original area, then calculate the new area, then calculate the difference, it will take around 15 minutes more. That is why I am just telling you the short trick for this type of question. This is a very famous questions in your exam in percentage, because some MR will come easy, some MR will come hard. So if we practice a lot of question, then it will be very easy for you, right? Okay, hope everybody is clear. Okay, this is a very easy type of question, I would say. Profit and loss. Got it. If you will face this type of question now with just numbers changed in your exam, I hope that will be very clear to you. And we are just practicing one particular type and one question, that's it. See, great, Jyoti, quick. Preeti Kumari, C. Previous slide. Okay, let me try. Okay, first let everyone answer this, Monica, to take screenshot. You can even play it after the video is over, but okay, wait. Let everybody answer this question. I will definitely give you a previous slide. Very good, Akansha, Sultan. Wasn't it very easy? Don't you think when I write easy, you all solve it very quickly? Okay, so what is the question? Bhavi purchased a washing machine for 10,000. So what is the cost price? Cost price of the machine is 10,000, right? He had to sell at 8500. What is the selling price? Selling price is 8500. So what is the profit or loss? Is it a profit or a loss? It it's a baby question. Nice, nice. Okay. So, what is the profit or loss? You all know that selling price, if the selling price is greater than the cost price, it will be a profit, right? But here, the cost price is greater than the selling price. That is why it is a loss. So, what is the loss? Loss is 10,000 minus 8,500. That will be 1500. That is the loss. Now you just have to find out the loss percentage. What will be the loss percentage? It will be clearly loss upon what should be the base. The base should be always cost, right? We have done this. It should be always cost into 100, right? So, and we will do all the type of other formulas also in our remaining questions. We have too many questions, don't worry about that, right? So it will be 1500 divided by 10,000, and the answer is the baby question, that is 15%, right? So let's try it. Let's try. Monica, please take a screenshot which you wanted soon. Done. I hope that is done. Okay, so I've written this formula for you also, right? You can check this from here also. This is the same formula. Now next type of question is a ratio, a question from the ratio. And the ones who are giving the wrong answer, don't panic. The good thing is you are trying. You know this. The best thing is that you are trying and you are practicing. And when you see these type of question in your examiner, you will be amazed to know that you will click the right answer more easily and more quickly than others who are not even trying. So this is another type of average question. I will not say that this is a very hard question. Okay. If you have done ratios with me, which we will repeat, all the concepts we will repeat. Don't worry about that. This is just an introductory lesson. Please try to solve this. Okay, let's assume that the two numbers are in the ratio of 2 is to 5. That means suppose one number is 10, one number is 25, right? So they are in the ratio of 2 into 5. So can I write it down 2x and 5x, where what will be the x? X will be nothing but 5, right? That is why 2x and 5x. I hope you all can relate, right? Huh. So now I am writing it as 2x upon 5x. Ajay, you have given answers D, ma'am, and Preeti Kumari, you are saying ma'am, and 12 and 30 AA. रहा है. It cannot be possible. See Preeti, if this is not the option, then this cannot be the answer, right? Preeti, stay tuned, just see what the answer can be. 2x upon 5x, right? This was the original ratio. Now if we add 16 to both the numbers, that is, if I add 16 here, I am adding 16, okay, please see, and here also I am adding 16, the ratio becomes 1:2. Fine. Now what will be the answer? It will be, we will start solving this. Can I multiply this 2 to here, right? I am just telling you for the ones whose answer is not yet come, so I have to just explain. Very good, you have given the correct answer, but you should also see the solution, how I am solving and how you are solving, so that even if you are solving with some other method, some long method, you can reduce your working and you can stick to this type of method, right? So that you can solve very quickly. Okay, can I multiply 2 with this number? That will be 4x plus 32, right? Equal to, can I do take this here? So it will be 5x plus 16, right? So what it will be? X will be equal to nothing but 16. If you solve this, if x is 16, then what is 2x and what is 5x? What are the original number? 2x will be 32 and 5x will be 80. ठीक है? अच्छा, only 6 add. यही होता है ना, this happens, हड़बड़ी में गड़बड़ी करना, right? So that we have to practice. Okay? Yes, the answer is 32 and 80. So I think, okay, let's do one thing. We'll take one more type of question. Okay, I have few more questions, but okay, let's take this question. A woman introduces a man as a son of the brother. This is an exam question. Okay, a woman, this is a blood relation question. A woman introduces a man as a son of the brother of her mother. What is, who how is the man related to the woman? Now I told you, I've taught you that we have to see, we always have to see how is the man, this person, this is the main subject. Okay, how is he related to the woman? Okay, so we have to read the blood relation. What are the rules of blood relation? If Acha, I haven't written here. Okay. So the rules of blood relation are that, see, very good, quick. Jyoti and Preeti and Commerce. Nice. So our basics were really good. We have already done so many basic classes, the free classes. If if Acha, the answer is, first let me tell you the answer. The answer is cousin, right? Very well said. How we will make this? We have to make a diagram, right? The woman introduces a man as, who is introducing the woman. So let's draw it. I'm drawing the woman, okay, as the son of the brother of her, right? Her mother. So let's see who is the woman's mother. Woman's mother is here, right? Now brother, ठीक है? So mother's brother, that means sibling, right? So I will draw B here, okay? Then you are saying the son, the son of this brother, son is this. So how is these two related? These both are cousins, okay? Blood relations questions are horrible. You should, Akansha, you should definitely attend my mathematical reasoning special classes. Then your blood relations will be easy. Many people were having problem, and now everybody is giving the correct answer. Acha, so that's all for today. Right, that's all for today. We have few questions. We can do that in the next session because otherwise that will be too much panic. So what we have to do is, see, if you want to attend all the classes now, here in this class we are just taking five lessons, 4 to 5 lessons for the free courses, right? So on YouTube. But if you want complete classes of 40-45 lessons, right, that will be of PYQs of paper 1, you can join us in our batch course, that is PYQ of paper 1, and then you can practice a lot more questions. Here we are studying for just 40-50 minutes to 1 hour. There we will study per lesson 1.5 or more than that time, right? So you can calculate the difference, you can see the difference. Right now, if I have taught you few questions, then I am damn sure if I give you different figures, you will be able to solve these exam questions. These are the direct exam questions I'm telling you, without having the in-depth knowledge. Even without having the in-depth knowledge, you will be able to solve it. Okay, so if you are good in your practicals, then it will boost your preparation. Okay, I will seriously insist you that you should suggest you should join this course, the full course. You should not miss that. You should practice a lot of questions, a lot of questions. There will be ample of questions, and there will be no shortage of questions. All the current type of questions will come in your exams. And anyone who has not joined the Unacademy, they can join with my referral code, that is NIX28, and you will get a 10% discount, and you will also get the PDFs. You don't have to manage uh, the screenshots, right? So you will get the PDFs of paper 1 and commerce also if you join it from my referral code. Okay, so I hope everything is clear by now. And yes, you can join an academy by just clicking on the selecting this category, that is NTA UGC net, and selecting your subscription, and there you will get a 10% discount. Fine. And yes, you can also follow me on my profile on an academy. My name is here. Fine. Okay, I hope everything is clear. That's all for today. Hope to see you. I will update you about the next session. We will practice. Thank you so much. And yeah, if you like this lesson, please give a like button and also share with your friends who can also practice questions for free. Don't do conjusi. The sharing is free. Everybody should practice. You can even ask your friends uh, to have a game with you to solve these questions. Since it's quarantine, so it is the best way to increase your knowledge. Stay positive, spread the positivity, and you can practice. That's it. So we'll meet you soon here on this link only. Bye. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Please click on the like button and share with your friends also. Okay. Bye. Bye, Pushpalata, Anjali, Monica, Sonu Regi. Guys, next session will be tomorrow 9 a.m. Please join in Telegram group. Yes, link is in the description. You can join our Telegram. That is Shiva sir and my Telegram. Both Telegram you can join. For my Telegram, you can search Niharika, Nix Niharika, and for Shiva sir's Telegram, the link is in the description. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye. Have a nice day.